success. Failure is an experience that lends to wisdom that ultimately makes you a stronger version of yourself.
So the idea is you must fail 100 times to succeed once. That's part of it. No one succeeds the first time. It's learning how to not get disappointed with failure, to understand failure. You only learn when you fail. You don't learn when you succeed.
The journey's hard. The journey is riddled with failure, and that's why most people don't do it. Most people aren't willing to get on that journey because they're afraid to fail.
I know you hear that. You know how I know you hear that? You set that alarm last night. You gonna pretend like you can't hear it. Okay. It's gonna keep ringing. It's still ringing. I know you still hear that. Okay, now you know this. What you gonna do? This is where the decision's made. This is where you decide if you're gonna get it today.
The only thing standing between me and my dreams are my fears. The only person who is responsible for my success is myself. I am in charge of this life. I am in charge of my life. It's on me to go out each and every day to make sure I leave everything out there. It's my duty to never let things go unfinished. I will do whatever it takes because I don't believe in failure. I believe in getting up as many times as it's going to take me in order to see true success, in order to see my dreams become my reality. Quitting is not in my vocabulary. I won these battles long before they even took place because I am a warrior and I prepared like one. I believe in my vision. I believe in my capabilities. People don't define who I am or what I can do. I define those things. Haters and doubters are my motivation, and no matter how many people try to stand between me and my dreams, I will not let them defeat me.